we are going to make an Irish soda bread. Now I've tried about 12 different recipes for Irish soda bread, and this is one that you're going to make over and over again. It's by far the best. So what you will need is 454 grams of wholemeal flour, that's equal to a pound, 70 grams of plain white flour, 225 grams of pinhead oats, 70 grams of oat bran, 70 grams of wheatgerm, and then here we have 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of bread soda. Also, your wet mix is just simply 1 litre of buttermilk. The utensils you will need is just simply two 2-pound tins that are greased with butter. Let's get started. Literally add all the dry ingredients into the bowl. That's your whole wheat, your plain, your oat bran, your wheat germ, pinhead oats, and your sugar, salt, and bicarb soda. Just going to give that a quick mix around before we add the buttermilk. That should be fine. And then the full carton of buttermilk. Now this recipe is very high in fibre and also very high in vitamin E, which is a very powerful antioxidant and can help your immune system, so it's particularly good at this time. Okay, so we give that a good mix around, and once it's fully mixed, we just simply pour it into our 2-pound tins. So then your filled tins go in the oven for 10 minutes at 240 and then 1 hour at 140 degrees. And there you go.